Hey guys, it's Blender Ocean, and today we are going to learn how can we use particle settings in Blender 2.9. So let's start without wasting any time. First we are going to delete this default cube and going to add Suzanne the monkey. Now adjust the position of the monkey by rotating in X direction. Now add a plane, increase the size of the plane, select the monkey, use subdivision surface modifier, only level of viewport 2. It will be enough. Save this mode. Now go to the edit mode and separate the bow tie by using Ctrl plus L. Sorry. First select the vertex of the first eye and use Ctrl plus L and go to separate selection. Now do that again with another eye, separate selection. Now select the monkey, go to the particle properties, give hair properties. Now increase the number of hair about 4000 and hair length decrease up to 0.08. Now go to downwards, use children, interpolate it. Now we have a monkey with hair, but it doesn't have a hairstyle. So now let's give up some hairstyle. Go to the particle edit. We have these features to give a good hairstyle to a monkey. So let's go and give a good hairstyle to a monkey. Go to the number 3 and let's use the first feature is comb. It will change the direction of the hair as you want it, like this. And now we are going to use a feature which is called as add. It will add the number of hairs. Now let's use length. It will increase the length of the hair as we want, like this. We want the middle ones the longer and the shorter ones will be side hairs. Now we are going to use our best feature, cut. It will adjust and give a nice cut to all the hairs which are extras, and we want to change the direction how we want to cut it. Nice. Nice. And delete and cut these extra hair we want to cut. And you can just adjust and have some fun with all the hair properties you wanted. Just have fun, make another type of style as you want. So let's go to the object mode, and as you can see, now we have a monkey with a good spike like hairstyle. It's looking nice. Now go to the material properties and give some material about the color of sky blue to a monkey and select the bow tie. Select the first eye. Now go to the viewport shading. Not viewport, let's go to the render port. Select the first eye, new material, assign. Now select the middle vertices and use Ctrl plus. Go to the plus sign, click at the plug. Now add new material to our middle part of the eye, assign, give black color. Now as you can see, give a nice looking eye also to a monkey, which will look like a eye, and do that again with another eye. Select the middle vertex, use Ctrl plus, assign. Now let's give some good light effect. First select the plane, go to edit mode, use edge, extrude. Now give some bevel, sorry, shade smooth, increase the size in X direction. Select the light, go there. Now adjust the position of the camera like this. You can have fun as much as you want with the camera position and all the light textures. Light part, I'm going to use this default light and give some color, yellowish. Go to the camera position and check it out. This much is good. If you want to check, if you want to do it in cycles, you can also do it, but it will not. Guys, if you want to do it in cycles, you can also do it, but it will not give you much effect. But I want to say EV will be best for this type of thing. If you have a GPU processor, GPU graphic card, you can also use GPU compute. It will render fast in the viewport and also render fast in the render. So as you can see, we have a nice looking monkey with a nice hairstyle. Now let's have fun with some light effects also. Delete this one. And as you can see guys, there is not much effect between the EV and the cycles in this feature, this project. So now let's go increase the, select the light and increase the value of the power about 2000 and give white color. And you can also go to the render engine, go to color management, look, and use very high contrast, not very high, medium, which one you want you can use it. It will give such a nice effect and the monkey. And you can also go to the volumetrics and use volumetric shadows, use ambient occlusion for give a slightly shadow effect there. And you can also use skin space reflections and reflection. It will also give nice effect. So guys, as you can see, we have a nice monkey and with a nice looking hairstyle. If you want to have fun, you can have so much fun with all the properties we have there. If you want to change the hairstyle, hair shape, you can also go to king tab, curl. It will change the hairstyle, it will change the effect of all the hair. You can have fun with all these settings. You can also use wave and go to the amplitude, increase the amplitude, increase the flatness as you wanted, frequency will increase the number of hair, amplitude. You can also decrease the shape, it will give some random nice shape and the monkey. I don't like it at all. Let's go with the nothing. You can have fun with all this value if you want to. So guys, Like, if you want, you can have fun, so much fun with all these value. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, then you can subscribe my channel and share it the video. And guys, let's meet in another video. I will make a new video really fast. I will try my best. So that's it for today, guys. Okay, bye.